Financial out there. Oh, and he was in a whirlwind from the get-go. But Bert Bueller, Bracken Financial's got the rail. Kevin Garrow, Bill Pulses is out there sitting too wide, and Ken Solomon, the Tree Line heavy-duty truck repair outfit, is out there flying. But it is Bert Bueller, Bracken Financial is out there. Kevin Garrow, Bill Pulses in second, and now Ken Solomon, the Tree Line outfit, is in third as they make their way down into the third corner. But it's Bert Bueller, Bracken Financial leading the way. Kevin Garrow, Bill Pulses sitting in second, and Ken Solomon is in third as they make their way into the third corner. Bracken Financial, Bert Bueller still has the lead, but Kevin Garrow, Bill Pulses is sitting in second, and here comes